Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 423, effective until 9 p.m. This watch includes the following county: Fairfield, Connecticut, and the following counties in New Jersey: Bergen, Essex, Hudson, Hunterdon, Middlesex, Monmouth, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in New York: Bronx, Brooklyn, Nassau, Manhattan, Orange, Putnam, Queens, Staten Island, Rockland, and Westchester, and the following marine locations: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York, New York Harbor, Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Manasquan Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Manasquan Inlet to Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds.